now.
Go!
Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Around the world.
Really
Underpants! Underpants!
That's attractive.
Woo!
Woo! Are we done?
Here.
Corn dogs. Oh. Took me a while to get this thing, okay? I fell in mud just to get this. I've always wanted one though because they remind me of corn dogs.
Do an example of how it happened.
Okay, it's all the way over here. I'm right here, going in for the kill, like this, and then I fall.
You sacrificed it all.
It was really bad. I got mud all over everything.
Okay, we're ending.